I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're going to add the Google search bar now. First, unlock the phone and open settings. This ensures you can change the home screen. Once in settings, check apps or default apps to confirm your launcher is active. This matters because some launchers hide widget support. Make sure the Google app is installed and updated so the widget appears. If your launcher is non-standard, switch to a launcher that supports widgets before continuing. This avoids wasted steps later. Now add the widget. Long press an empty area on your home screen to open the customization menu. Tap widgets, then scroll to Google or Google Search. You'll see different sizes like compact and wide. Tap and hold the search bar widget, then drag it to the top of the home screen where you want it to sit. Release to place it, and if prompted, allow widget permissions. You're doing this because widgets are the system-supported way to restore the bar quickly. Finish by adjusting placement. Long press the bar to resize or move it slightly to center it. Make sure widget permissions and Google app permissions are granted so voice and search suggestions work. If the widget doesn't appear, open your launcher settings and enable widgets or switch to a different launcher, then try again. As a key troubleshooting tip, restart the device or reinstall the Google app. That resolves most sync or visibility problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.